All right, y'all, the piece de la resistance. Woo! Elk backstrap steaks. Oh boy. Oh boy. You know, I screwed up. Like, I meant to give this guy a package of these, and I thought the other package was ground elk, and it was actually more backstrap steak. I'm tempted to go ask for it back. Bring me that backstrap back. Yeah, this is the most coveted cut of meat, arguably, on an elk. I'm going to do something a little sacrilegious. I'm going to hit it with the olive oil. And I'm going to hit it with some salt and peppers. Gosh. Hit it from the salt from up in the heavens as I do. Oop, a little too much. A little too much. Okay. You really can't do too much to it to screw it up, you know. Gosh, man. Yeah, dude, I'm really feeling like I gave that guy 2 packages of backstrap. What's wrong with me, man? The animal tastes so fine. Like, I'm really, like, I regret that, you know. Everything that I've had so far, greatest animal I've ever tasted, you know. Sorry. Anyways, don't be surprised if you see some more videos of my elk, because you know, as I consume him, I just keep thinking about what I'm gonna do when I don't have any elk meat, you know, because I'm sleeping better, like everything's better, like this is better, so.